As I stand here, I am reminded of how fortunate we are to live in a democratic country where our voices are heard, our rights are protected, and our differences are celebrated. These cherished freedoms did not come easily. They were earned through sacrifice, courage, and unwavering duty by the men and women of the Canadian Forces at home and abroad, past and present. Over 1.5 million Canadians have served in conflicts from the First World War to Afghanistan. It is vital that we remember those lost in battle, for every name etched in stone represents a life dedicated to a cause greater than oneself. For those of us who have served, Remembrance Day is not merely a ceremony or a moment of silence. It is a personal reflection, a day when faces and names come to mind, when the weight of memory presses close. We remember not only those that gave their lives, but those who returned home, changed, carrying the unseen burdens of service and sacrifice. Wearing the red poppy inspired by Flanders Fields represents not only bloodshed by countless heroes, it represents a promise to never forget, to never take for granted the peace and security that others fought to preserve. To the families that have lost loved ones, to the veterans who carry the weight of remembrance each day, we thank you. Your sacrifices will never be forgotten. At the going down of the sun and in the morning, we shall remember them.